guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brown Barbie. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this cute orange and turquoise look. It's perfect for the spring and the summertime. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to be starting off with my Juvia's Place concealer to conceal my lids, and I'm not going to be setting this concealer at all, so I want to make sure this is blending in. I'm just going to be using a big fluffy brush to blend all of this into my lid. Now I'm going to be going into my 3503 palette and taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be putting it on top of my crease area. I'm not going to be putting it all over my lids. I'm just going to keep it in that area only. Now I'm going to be taking this orange shade right here, and I'm going to be taking like a pointer brush, and I'm just going to be keeping right where I put the color before on my crease, just to have the orange pop out a little bit more. After cutting my crease, I'm going to be going into my Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetic, and I'm taking this turquoise kind of blue shade, and I'm just going to be laying it as the first layer on top. So the color that I'm going to be putting on top, which is the turquoise, will have a shade to back up on. Now I'm going to be going into my Makeup Revolution palette and taking that turquoise shade and just putting it all over my lids where I put the blue color. Now that I'm finished with my eyes, I'm just going to be moving on to my face. I already made a foundation routine here on my channel, so make sure you check that out. I'm just going to be doing everything step by step, so I'll see you guys at the end of this video. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And make sure you check out my other videos on this channel. I've been doing a lot. So remember, I'll be posting every Tuesdays and Thursdays on my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.